Hi neighbors, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining if it's your first time here. Do you have a lot of holiday leftovers? Because I know I do. And one way you can upcycle these holiday leftovers is to turn them into scones. We found this really easy and fun recipe from SeriousEats.com. Elle and I make these awesome scones for the first time. And if you want to know how it went, then let's go. Mix in all dry ingredients: 510 grams of flour, 24 grams of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 16 grams of sugar. After that's slightly mixed, you want to add in 1 stick of cold butter that's a ½ inch cube. You really want to try to flatten out the cubes, but you don't want to over mix it. You still want them to look like this. Now pour in 1/2 cup of chopped scallions and 1/2 cup of heaping cheese of your choice or mixes of cheese. And now add in 400 grams of leftover ham or freshly cut ham. Create your wet mixture of 110 grams of milk plus 240 grams of heavy cream. So now you want to fold the mixture and keep folding it. It should come out a little chunky looking, but that's normal. Don't worry, it's not going to be too sticky. Transfer it onto a tray that's already lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Now separate into 2 circles and make sure they're at least 1 inch thick. Cut the dough into how many pieces you want, but in this demonstration we cut it into 6 pieces, so in total we had 12 pieces. Place them individually onto another tray. Make sure they are evenly spaced out. And now use 230 grams of cheese. Heavily sprinkle the top of the scones, and you really don't want to skimp out on cheese. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And this should look like this: golden brown on top and gigantic. I know you're tempted to try it just right now, but hold on and wait for 5 more minutes. If you were in the kitchen when all these scones came out, my mouth was watering, my brain was like craving to dig into it already, and honestly it was one of the best things ever. Okay, so truth be told, we actually inhaled one whole one, so this is actually a day old scone. It still smells good, but I think the taste would still be as good. Especially with the cheese on top, it's like a really good cheddar buttery biscuit and all that ham scallion. I wish we did put a little bit more scallion though. It really gives it a good savory scone. Oh, I don't know how else to explain it. You can just eat one and you're already really full. You don't even need to eat lunch. This will be your lunch. And also, Ellen makes the best sweet scones, so look out for more recipes from her. And there you have it. That's how you make cheddar scallion and ham scones. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!